Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video. Yes. So this video I'm going to be talking about my natural hair and how I am close to bra strap length. Yeah, so I'll probably be there in several months, but I'm so excited because last year I was shoulder length, and if you are not aware, I did dye my hair in February 2017, and during that time I did suffer from breakage and damage, and of course with that your hair is just all out of whack. So I basically grew the hair dye out. I cut bits and pieces here and there, so I wanted to just remove all of the chemicals. I'm so excited, and I just want to talk about what I've been doing. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a recap of where I was last year, and we're gonna talk about now. So stay tuned. That I have made to my regimen was I added the natural Jamaican black castor oil growth serum, and this is their lavender, and also I added the lemon version. Now I was using this for about 4 months. I did use the lavender one for 2 months and their lemon one for another 2 months, and I will say I'm a big fan of hair growth serums or hair growth oils. If you haven't already, please check out my video of where I make my own hair growth oil. And yeah, I'm a big fan of that because they come with a lot of great nutrients. It comes with, well, basically hair oils or oils, essential oils in general. It's made up of a lot of great benefits. I do have another video of that talking about essential oils and what it comes with, or not what it comes with, but basically what essential oils are and what it can do for you and what it can do for your hair journey. So yeah, check that video out. But let's go ahead and talk about this. Now, there's growth serum. The ingredients, we're going to talk about the lemon one, and it's 100% potent Jamaican black castor oil, and it's for strength. Comes with vitamin E, which is for repair, jojoba oil, which is for moisture, and lemon essential oil, which is for shine. Now the lavender is the same exact thing, but without the lemon essential oil. It comes with lavender essential oil, of course, and that's for shine as well. I really love this duo. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a length check for you guys. So we already did a recap of where I was before, but yeah, so let's go into the length check. Alright, and that is where I am at with my hair journey. Yeah, so I am basically armpit length, and the next step is bra strap length. So like I said, hopefully I'll be there in several months. I really don't want to put a time date. I just want to focus on, you know, basically keeping my hair healthy, and if it gets there, it gets there. But I will keep you guys posted on my hair journey, and if you guys want to know anything else, like any regimen update, what shampoo, conditioner do I use, you know, my nighttime method, anything like that, please leave that down in the comment box below. And if you like this video, go ahead and click the like button. Also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything, and follow me on Instagram at naturally_Izzy. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.